What's up, you guys? My name is Darian Lake. Today I'm back with another clip-in video, just like the last one I posted, which was actually kinky coily hair. And I think that one was actually from Outre, but these clip-ins are from Sensational, and they're called the Textured Clip-ins Weave Curls Kinks & Co. Alpha Woman 12 inches, and they come with 9 pieces. What's in my head right now is only 8 pieces. I have my hair braided underneath this, which you'll see kind of essentially in the way of like a traditional sew-in. I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I've been wearing these clip-ins for about 9 days, and to my understanding, at this price, they're only $22. I'm just assuming that this is like synthetic hair or human hair blend, and they've actually really been holding up. My hair still has like some type of like bounce to it. I don't know, like you can't really tell. It looks layered too, just the way that I installed them. And then this is the one clip that I don't have in my head. It's like, I guess I would call this like a medium piece, because they have some pieces that are from here to here, and then the longest piece, which is on the crown of my head, is probably like this long. But yeah, I just like really been loving clip-ins lately. They're really versatile if you need to like put your hair up for working out, or just like not putting heat on your whole head of hair. If you have like, because I know like the nape of my neck is like my weak spot, like my hair always breaks back there. I think that's just common in general for natural girls. But yeah, and the lowest clip that I have is like, I want to say like here, and then my hairline starts like down here. So I just like kind of protected that, but you really can't see anywhere near it unless I were to put my hair up, and then I have like a braid going horizontally so that I could take it down if I need to, and then press that, and then like clip my hair up, because I do wear it sometimes like this. Like, you know when you're hot and you just want to put your hair up, but it's been getting super chilly out lately, so no need for that. Yeah.
Martinez.